Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Blogger versus WordPress. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Blogger and WordPress are two of the most popular website builders available today. Both platforms have a solid reputation after having been around for nearly 2 decades each. The best solution for you depends on your goals and how you plan to use the platform. In this video, you can decide which is the best for your needs and budget. WordPress is more frequently used compared to Blogger, with many themes and plugins to choose from to customize the look and feel of your site using no coding. If you know HTML or Java, it allows for that too. WordPress is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting with a hosting company, which typically runs less than $10 per month. If you're running a business, WordPress is the best. Despite Blogger originally being specifically for commercial blogging, Blogger is a free WordPress alternative that has been around for 4 years longer. It offers free themes, although they're basic and makes it obvious you're using the platform as they are all very similar to each other. However, Blogger is a great option for users who want a decent, basic blogging platform. You won't get any frills, but the learning curve is low and you can start publishing content in minutes. Both Blogger and WordPress are free, but WordPress is self-hosted. This means that you must use a hosting company to use it. You can find hosting companies for a few dollars per month if you pay for 3 years at a time. While many WordPress plugins are free, some of the more extensive ones will cost you money, such as ones meant to give you an online store. Since 2018, Blogger provides unlimited storage. The amount of storage available with WordPress depends on the host company you use. WordPress has thousands of free themes as well as premium ones. Blogger has a handful of similar looking themes, and one site suggests there's a workaround for uploading a premium theme, but others say their solution doesn't work. If you're looking for advanced customization and a unique look to your site, you'll want to go with WordPress. While WordPress does take a little more knowledge of coding than Blogger, it's a very popular platform. So there are thousands of walkthroughs for just about anything you have trouble with. Most hosting companies even provide one-click installation so you can get started quickly. Once your site is up and running, you can drag and drop images, text, and a whole host of content inside the editor. Blogger doesn't have drag and drop functionality though, so that's something that you need to consider. Blogger is a simple service that enables you to create a blog and publish it online immediately. WordPress, on the other hand, is a full-featured content management system for building websites. WordPress is a full content management system, a platform designed to help you build online content. In practical terms, this means that you can use WordPress to create nearly any type of website. You can create posts and pages for your blog, edit its settings, and add other users, and so on. So, like Blogger, you can also use themes to alter your site's layout and appearance, although there are many more options to choose from. Blogger, on the other hand, makes it easy to get up and running with a simple blog. All you need is to create a free profile, which requires a Google account, then you can build a new blog right away. You can choose from a variety of themes to determine your blog's appearance and layout, give it a title, and choose a URL. Then you'll get access to a simple dashboard. So, Blogger is very quick and simple to get started with. You can literally create a blog in minutes. You'll be able to learn how to create content and use all the primary features right away. You don't need a hosting plan, making this a 100% free solution. While limited, there are options for personalizing your blog. However, the downside of Blogger is that the platform's functionality is very basic. You can't do much with it beyond creating a standard blog and posting content. Your options for customizing your blog's appearance and features are very restricted, as it is the potential for adding custom code. You don't fully own your content because it's all sitting on Google servers, though you can export your content if needed. As you can see, Blogger really shines when it comes to getting you up and running quickly. However, it's less impressive if you'd like to fully customize your blog. WordPress requires a bit more work than Blogger does. Getting a blog started with WordPress is still a pretty quick and painless process, and most quality WordPress hosts can handle the setup for you. The platform is beginner friendly and easy to learn, especially if you're using it for something simple. There are thousands of customization options in the form of plugins and themes, enabling you to shape your site into whatever you want. For more advanced users, WordPress makes it simple to add custom code and complex features to your blog. However, starting up a WordPress site typically requires a small monetary investment. You actually can find free WordPress hosting, but we wouldn't recommend it for a serious site. And also, you'll be more responsible for ensuring that your site performs well and is secure. Both Blogger and WordPress have their place and are useful for certain types of users. However, what you want to know is which one you should opt for. Blogger is useful for those who want to create their blog and have it fully up and running immediately. If all you want is a very simple hobby blogging platform, this may be the solution for you and a great alternative to WordPress. You won't have to pay a cent to get started, and you won't need to worry about hosting or any other technical considerations. Again, you have limited options for customizing your blog. Plus, you won't be able to do much else with the platform. If you want your blog to be a part of a larger website, such as a business site, a portfolio, or a store, Blogger won't provide the features you'll need. On the other hand, WordPress requires a little more time to get started with. It's easy for beginners to use, offers a ton of customization options, provides many features for more advanced users, and will scale easily with your blog as it grows. Choosing a platform for your new blog isn't a simple matter. There are so many options, it can be easy to get overwhelmed. So that's it for this video. I hope that I helped you in choosing Blogger or WordPress. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.